Hey there guys, welcome back. Our next task is to write a program to find the maximum element in an array. The first line of input contains the number of elements in the array and the second line contains the array itself. For example, the number of elements in the array is 5 and the array is 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Notice array is not sorted. And we have to find the maximum element from this array. So the output for this case will be 5. So first approach can be of sorting the array in ascending order and then return the last element, or simply sort the array in reverse order and return the first element. But this problem may violate the constraints because sorting increases the time complexity of the overall problem. Its complexity is big O of n log n. We can solve this problem in O of n time. Let's see how. Here we'll take a temporary variable max and store the first element in max. For time being, consider max is the maximum value, and then we'll iterate over the array and we'll compare each element with max. If the element is greater than max, we will update max with that variable, otherwise we'll move forward. So in this way, at the end of the array, we will be left with the maximum number. So if we have this array 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, we'll take max is equal to 1 and then we'll iterate over the array. So comparing 1 with 1, that is the first element of array, 1 is not greater than 1. So we'll move forward. Here our max is 1 and we'll compare this with 3. So 3 is greater than 1. So we'll update our max value. Now max is 3 and we'll move forward again. Now our next value is 2. So 2 is not greater than 3. So we'll simply move forward without updating max. Now our next value is 5. So 5 is greater than 3. So we'll update max. So max is equal to 5 and we'll move forward. Now our next value is 4. So 4 is not greater than 5. So we'll not update the max value. And this was the last element of array. So the value which we have in max is the maximum value. Okay, so we'll return this value. Let's see this in code. Here I have the class max element and we have a method static int find max. This method returns the maximum element which is of int type and the parameter is array of integers. Okay, now we'll make a maximum value. So int max is equal to num of 0. We'll take the first element as maximum and now iterating over the array for int I equal to 0, I less than num dot length I plus plus, and if num of I is greater than max, we'll update max. So max is equal to num of I, and we'll anyways move forward I plus plus, and after the loop ends we'll return max. Okay, now let's write the driver code. So first of all we have to take the number of elements of the array. So we'll use scanner class to take the input. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in int length sc dot next int, and we'll initialize the empty array. Int num equal to new int of size length, and now using for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than len I plus plus num of I equal to sc dot next int. Okay, and after for loop we'll call find max method and we'll pass num array in its parameter. We'll print find max, so system.out.println. We'll import scanner class, so import java.util.scanner. Alright, now running max element.java. So back to command prompt, javac max element.java. See, file is compiled successfully, and now java max element. Okay, so it is waiting for our input. So first we have to enter the length of the array we want, let's say 5, and now the array itself, so 2 3 4 1 5. See, our output is 5. Okay, so you can check for more test cases. So that's it for this video. We'll see more problems in the further lectures. Thank you.